Have you ever dreamed of buying a home but feel like your credit is holding you back? What if we told you that with the right plan and guidance, your dream home could be within reach and even with credit challenges?
Wow, yeah.
Hi, my name is Jennifer and I'm a mortgage loan officer with Churchill Mortgage. And this is my partner, Lisa,
Hey.
with Cummings & Company Realtors. And today we're going to talk about the basics of credit.
All right. So today's goal is to empower you with the knowledge and the tools regarding the credit scoring to work towards purchasing your dream home. Let's talk about basic credit scoring factors and how they affect your home buying power.
This is so very important. Understanding basic credit scoring factors is essential when considering home buying power,
Yes.
as your credit can significantly impact your ability to qualify for a mortgage and the interest rate that you will pay. Here's a rundown of the factors that influence your credit score.
All right. So we have three major factors that impact your credit score. Number one is going to be your payment history at 35%. This is the record of your payments and all debts, including your credit cards, your student loans, cars, other loans. Lenders look to see if you've paid past accounts on time. Late payments, bankruptcy, foreclosures can negatively impact your credit scores.
Yes, ma'am, it can. And two is credit utilization. This is worth 30% of your credit score. This measures how much available credit you are using. Keeping your credit card balances low compared to the credit limit is seen favorable and can help with your credit score.
Absolutely. Now in at number 3 is the length of your credit history, and this is coming in at 15%. This considers how long you've had credit. A long credit history can be beneficial. And the reason why is because it provides more data on your spending habits and repayment behavior. A higher credit score can make it easier to secure a mortgage and may qualify you for lower interest rates, which can save a great deal of money over the life of the loan. Conversely, a lower credit score can limit your options and result in higher interest rates. This means higher monthly payments and more money paid overall.
For step-by-step help and instructions on how to repair your credit, please feel free to reach out to us directly at 443-463-5054. We would love to help you get on the road to homeownership.
Absolutely.